इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल के डायरेक्टर जाइल्स क्लार्क का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग का फाइनल लाहौर में न होता तो मौजूदा दौरा इतना आसान न होता, जबकि पीसीबी और रमीज राजा की कोशिशों से पाकिस्तान में इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट बहाल हो रही है। लाहौर के मकामी होटल में चेयरमैन पीसीबी के हमरा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हुए जाइल्स क्लार्क ने कहा,
I fully accept that the report we produced, with all the recommendations, many of which have been implemented by the PCB and which Dave Richardson likes to believe have helped in the tremendous performance of the Pakistan cricket team recently in reaching #1 in the world test team and of course winning the Champions Trophy recently in England. But what we should have done was come here in 2011 and the security advice was against, but that's not the point. I think we should have come, so I'm sorry about that. But I would like to say at this stage that we express our deepest sympathies to all those families who have suffered tragic losses during this time and these difficulties. Twice we have been close to being able to put a team together, and twice there has been a tragedy and an awful outrage.
आईसीसी के डायरेक्टर का कहना था,
This time our thoughts are with those people who have suffered. I'd like to thank all the Pakistani government agencies. It's impossible to single everybody out, but obviously without the Safe Cities program I don't think we'd be here, and the huge efforts of the Lahore police and the army and the airport security and all the agencies have been vital in this. And I'm especially pleased that we have the full support of the Professional Cricketers Association, the FICA, and their security advisors, ESI, and the Dickerson family. I would like to thank the PCB for, and in particular, obviously, Najam for his vision in deciding to play the PSL final here. Because if the PSL final had not been played here, I don't know how easy this would have been. But because it was, and because everybody had the courage and the vision to play it here, that was an absolutely essential and critical step. And I'd like to congratulate Najam and Shahryar Khan, Subhan and Colonel Azam.
इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल के डायरेक्टर जाइल्स क्लार्क ने मजीद कहा,
I'd also like to congratulate Andy Flower. Without Andy Flower's vision and determination, we would not have been able to assemble this team. It is he who has held the key conversations with the players to encourage them to come to Pakistan, and he has talked them through, most movingly I felt, in Dubai yesterday, that this isn't just a cricket tour and it's not just a visit. It's much, much more than that. We know how much the people here and the cricket fans here have suffered over the years, and we know how much you're looking forward to this tournament. I would warn you that in spite of the fact that you've recently won the Champions Trophy, we are going to administer a dose of cold water, and you will find yourselves with some very tough opposition in the 2020 format.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
यह है खबर का जहां और आप देख रहे हैं TNN TV।